Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene Erere, a contemporary visual artist based in Nigeria. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always clicking on my video, and I love you guys. So today I'm going to be making a wall piece, a wall hanging piece, and I'm going to be making use of bottle covers, plastic bottle covers, and I'm going to be making use of spray, a gold spray, because I want it to be a gold color, and I'm going to be making use of this glue stick, this glue gun, to attach the bottle covers together. So guys, I'm just going to go straight to the work. How I got these covers, I've been storing the covers for like 3 weeks now, or I think yes, 3 weeks or 2 weeks, approximately 3 weeks for this particular piece. So I'm just going to start with one. So I'm going to start with 5. This is what you just need to do. Just need to pour out your glue, then stick the first one. So I'm done sticking this, then I'll just continue with the remaining and make sure it's at the center. So guys, I'm done with this, and I'm still going to be repeating this into 4 more places to make it 5.
Time high, anxiety is showing underneath my eyes. Watching as I let you take up all my time, just to do it over again. Drag me through the dirt, degrade me, mess things up, and always blame me. Smile politely while you tear me down. I don't wanna be a yes man, bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, but I can never say no. Push and pull, now I think I'm getting seasick. Say what you mean and put your money where your mouth is. Giving the run around, thinking I'm gonna drown. Head above water, but I'm going down. You're so used to getting the things you want, burn down your bridges.
So guys, we have 5, and what I'm just going to be doing is sticking the 5 of them together.
No matter the cost, put on a poker face, trying to play the game like you're the king and I'm your pawn. Don't wanna be a yes man, bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, and I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive like I'm a first class casualty, and I'm so close, but I can never say no. I can never say no. I can never say no. Don't wanna be a yes man, bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. Don't wanna be a yes man, bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, and I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive.
We have this, and I'm just going to I'm going to be attaching these two at every point, at this point, so and so. So that's what we are going to be doing. So I'll start with here.
I can never say no. I can never say no. Don't wanna be a yes man. Bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry, cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. Don't wanna be a yes man. Bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry, cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. And I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive like I'm a first class casualty, and I'm so close, but I can never say no.
So guys, this is what we have. You can either choose to put it this way, or you can choose to put it this way, but I'll be hanging it on the wall this way. So that's what I'll be doing. So since we're done with this, we're moving on to the next one.
Maybe this is the part where I say I'm doing better without you, but my mind keeps slipping, my heart keeps calling your name. So calling, so calling. And I'm so messed up, it's a torture. I wish you the best when you chose her, even after what you said.
So guys, we're done with these two gorgeous piece. So I'm just going to go ahead to spray it with the gold spray.
It was always you for me. It was always you. I wanna choose you. Maybe this should be the part where I mean what I say. I let you fade away. I let you fade away. My mind keeps replaying everything that you were saying. And I'm so messed up. It's a torture. I wish you the best when you.
So guys, we're done with this gorgeous piece, and I decided to add silver to the color, and we have gold. Although I don't really like this particular gold, I thought it was a bright gold because of the cover of the spray can, but I later got a darker gold. I wanted the very bright carat gold, but I still love the outcome of this. I love the gold. It's more like matte, like this matte feeling, but still very nice. So guys, I'll be hanging this on the wall, and I'm going to be showing you pictures on how it's going to be looking on my wall. So guys, do not discard your bottle covers. Always store your bottle covers. Try to hold your bottle covers, and try to do this yourself at home. Just get your glue gun, get your covers, and that's it. And your spray, don't forget to get your spray, and you have this piece. You can decide to make this bigger, you can decide to make it into 3, you can decide to have four of this, any amount you choose to have. So it depends on how wide your wall is or the corner you want to put this. I want to put this in a small corner, so that's why I made this small. and due to the fact that I had limited bottle covers, so I went for a smaller piece. So guys, please try this out yourself and you're going to love it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share my videos and drop your comment, and please turn on your notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye guys, see you next time. Bye.
When